If you want to prevent your user from entering duplicate data in your Excel spreadsheet and at the same time produce pop-up error message, this is how you would do it. First, select the area that you want to apply the rule to, and after that, make sure you are on Data tab here. Click on Data Validation again. On this pop-up window, you're going to select Custom. On this formula section, enter the following formula. So in this formula, A2 means a starting row and A10 means the last row. If you have more than that, of course, you're going to have to change this to A12, 11, or maybe 100. And the second argument on this COUNTIF is the starting location of your table. And once that's done, let's click on Error Alert. And this section allows you to customize your pop-up window. So first of all, make sure that your Show Error Alert has been checked on, and then give it a title. And over here, this is the message that pops up on your pop-up window there. Okay, once you enter those error messages and title, click on OK. Now, let's start entering numbers here now, like that, and maybe like that. And if you were to enter a number which is already existing over here and hit enter, a pop-up error message will appear indicating that there's a duplicate. This is a duplicate user ID on this rows of 10. You can retry, which allows you to modify your user entry value. And for some reason, if you do it again and click on cancel, it gets rid of whatever you've entered. This also works on alphabet as well. Let's say, for example, you type ABC, DEF, and all of a sudden if you do ABC again and hit enter, it detects duplicate.